Hey, good morning everybody. It's Joe here from Start Investing, and today I'm going to show you how to buy a stock using Interactive Investor, which is the trading platform that I use. Today we're going to be looking at our August stock pick, and we've chosen Pets at Home for this month, and it's a retail company that sells everything to do with pets, and if you've signed up with us, you will have seen that it's got some pretty strong financials. It's got a nice healthy dividend yield, a nice low P to E ratio. So that's the stock we're going to be buying this month. But anyway, this is more about actually performing the trade itself on the website. So we're just on the research page here at the moment. So you want to be going to the trading tab. So click on the trading tab and click trade now. And that will take you over to the trading page where we can do the exciting bit. So at the top, we've got UK shares, which is what we're going to be buying today, and ETFs, which is exchange traded funds, which is your trackers that track the market. But we're not going to be going for those or funds or international bonds and warrants. So we just want UK shares today. The trading credits with Interactive Investor, they offer £80 worth of trading credits, which is the £80 that is the annual subscription fee. So they give that back to you in credits, which is quite cool. I don't have any credits because I've recently transferred all of my trading account stocks into my ISA so that I am not paying tax on those. For information about accounts, and if you haven't set one up yet, go to our website, and that has lots of good information about which account to choose, which trading platform to choose. So that's startinvestinguk.com. So if you go onto that, that's got lots of good information, and that'll be at the bottom of this video. If you don't have an account already, you have to set one up. So this is my ISA account, and you can trade between the two, but we're going to be using the ISA today. Shares and ETF name. So this is the ticker symbol that you want to type in of the stock you want to buy. So Pets at Home's ticker is PETS, so PETS. So I'm just going to click on that, and then that will confirm that here, that it's the right stock. You want to be buying the right stock, because it's a bit of a downer if you end up buying the wrong one. So yeah, we're going to be buying today. So you can also do that with selling stocks, but we're going to be buying today. And then you can choose between trading shares or cash amount. So this is if you want to buy a particular number of shares, you'd click this and you'd buy, say, 300 shares. So the bid price is here. So how much this is actually going to be costing you, and it's currently £1.17 or 117p for this for one share of this company. So 300 shares would cost about £317, or a little bit more than that, £360, something like that. But I always go for the cash amount. I usually put £400. I usually put £300 a month in, but I've got a little bit extra left over from my dividend payments. So I'm going to be putting in a little bit more this month and get all of that money reinvested into the market. So yeah, I'm going to be putting in £400. So you just type in your cash amount. Now what will happen here is, because it's not going to add up exactly to £400 worth of shares, because this is not an exact pound amount, it's going to buy close to 400 but not quite exactly £100. So when it comes to previewing or order, you'll see that it's going to be about 390, something like that. And that's everything. So yeah, then you can either do it this way, or another way to do it is you can actually go onto the page that I was on previously, the research page, to make sure that it's it's the right stock. You can go on here, and you can buy it from there. And basically, it takes you back to the same page, but it just automatically fills in the shares ETF bit for you, so you don't have to worry about that as much. So we're just going to go back to this. I'm just going to enter my password. I'm always terrible at these. Make sure that's right. Okay, so yeah, now we're in the preview order page, so it gives you a preview before you actually go and go in to buy the stock or share. You can see they're charging £6 commission and stamp duty on that. So it's actually come out to almost exactly £400. And you have 15 seconds to place your order. And if you don't place it in that time, then you have to refresh the quote so that the quote is very much up to date. So I'm just going to refresh that and make sure all the information is what you want. And then I'm just going to place the order. And there you go, your order is confirmed. And yeah, they have this price improvement thing that means that they've improved our order by 10p per order, so that's good. Yeah, and so that's all done, and so you can sort of go back and view your order list, and they usually send you a confirmation as well. Brilliant. So that's everything. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe at the bottom to our mailing list, or sign up to our stock picks. Again, the website name is startinvestinguk.com. And thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.